You're not failing because you're lazy. You're not stuck because you lack willpower. You're struggling because you're doing it alone. Today, I'm revealing the one habit that helped thousands lose weight faster, stay motivated longer, and actually enjoy the process. And it has nothing to do with what you eat or how much you work out. Welcome to Slim Down Secrets, where we go deep, get real, and bring you life-changing weight loss hacks that actually work. If you've ever quit on your goals, this one's for you. Here's a brutal truth. Most people don't quit because it's too hard. They quit because they feel alone in it. No one gets it. No one checks in. No one notices when they fall. So, a 2020 study published in Obesity found that people trying to lose weight solo were like 50% more likely to give up within the first month compared to those who had accountability. 50%. That's not a small number, but here's the hope. When you have someone counting on you, honestly, everything shifts. You don't skip the workout, you don't eat the cake mindlessly, you show up because someone's waiting. And that's when the magic happens. Research from Stanford showed that people who received just a simple weekly call about their fitness progress increased their exercise by 78%. 78%. Just from a call. Imagine if you had a group cheering you on, checking in, and reminding you of your why every single day. There's something really powerful about being seen, not judged, not compared, just seen, for who you are, for who you're becoming. When you find people who believe in your transformation, even when you don't, you start to believe too. That belief, it's the foundation of real change. Okay, you're convinced. Now what? Here's how to start your accountability squad like a pro. Step 1, pick your partners wisely. Choose people who want change, not complainers, not saboteurs. This is your team, your tribe. Step 2, set group rules. How often will you check in? Daily? Weekly? What's the vibe? No shame, just support. Step 3, make it visible. Use shared Google Sheets. Send daily check-ins. Post your goals. Make it real. Step 4, celebrate and recalibrate. Celebrate wins no matter how small. Missed a workout, talk about it, reset, keep moving. Accountability equals accelerated results. Meet Jasmine. She tried 7 diets in 3 years, gained back everything. Then she joined a Facebook accountability group with 5 strangers. 6 months later, down 40 pounds. But more importantly, she's happy. Then there's David. He hated going to the gym alone, found a morning walk partner. They talk life, not just steps. Now he's lost 28 pounds and hasn't missed a walk in 3 months. Their secret? Not doing it alone. You weren't meant to carry this alone. You weren't designed to struggle in silence. When you surround yourself with people chasing the same light, you rise together. This isn't about perfection. It's about connection. It's about progress, not punishment. And it's about showing up, not just for yourself, but for the people who believe in your growth. So here's what I want you to do. Text 2 friends who are on a health journey. Start a group chat. Name it something epic. Set 1 weekly check-in, that's it. And if you have no one right now, drop a comment below. Say, I need an accountability partner. Let's build something together, because your tribe is here. We don't do shame, we do strength. We don't chase skinny, we chase freedom. You got this. And now, you're not alone anymore. Subscribe to our channel now to stay motivated.